our Centenary community. This is so great.
And they told me to bring my favorite foods to the Centenary Fridge. So here's what I brought. Haha, popsicle sticks. How great is that? And something else. Wait for it. Wait for it. Ice cream sandwiches. 2 kinds. Oh my goodness, can you even imagine? I know it's cold right now, but those are still great things. Let's see what else. Oh, it's fresh fruit and packaged fruit and cheese. There's the other fresh fruit, water. You are kidding me. They have milk in here and soda pop. Oh, don't you just love this? This is a great thing. I'm so glad to be a part of this. Oh, just love to give what you can, take what you need, and be blessed. Yep, everybody be blessed. Bye-bye.